Being able to do a back bend is a big fitness goal that a lot of us set for ourselves at the beginning of our Pilates journey. These 5 beginner-friendly exercises are some of my favorites to start you moving towards that goal and getting you upside down. Exercise 1, bridges. Back bends take a lot of flexibility, but it's just as important to build strength to do it safely. Bridging strengthens the muscles in our glutes, hamstrings, and upper back. You'll want to make sure you're lightly squeezing your booty to lift the hips high and keeping the abs hugged in so the ribcage doesn't splay. Hold each rep for 5 to 10 seconds, and then come on down with articulation to massage the spine. As you get stronger, you may want to make this exercise more difficult. You can do that by lifting up, hips in the air, and then extending one leg out at 45 degrees to hold a 3-legged bridge. This really ups the intensity, so you'll want to make sure you're still engaging both your glutes and that your hips stay even as you extend the leg. The pelvis shouldn't tip side to side. Exercise 2, rolling like a ball. This simple exercise provides so many benefits at once, massaging the spine, strengthening the abs, and helping you get a sensation of what it feels like to be upside down. Hands can be placed on the shins or ankles, and then you just tuck your chin into a little ball, roll back to the shoulders, and then up to balance at the top. You want to make sure that you're not rolling weight onto your neck. The back of your head may lightly touch the mat, but you'll never feel pressure anywhere other than behind the shoulders. As you get more and more comfortable with this exercise, you can start to try to suspend your time upside down, holding for just a moment back on the shoulders before coming back up to sitting. Exercise 3, wrist stretches, weight bearing. Most of us who haven't done a back bend before don't realize how much strength and flexibility is required to achieve that position. The simplest way to achieve this is by coming onto your hands and knees and walking the fingertips so that they face towards you. This can already feel very, very intense, so you may just want to stay here. But if you want to add intensity, you can rock forward and back or side to side. Exercise 4, shaving. Bringing the forefinger and thumb together to form the hands into a diamond shape, you'll press the elbows wide to lower the hands behind the head and then straighten the elbows to lift the arms back up. This exercise is amazing for strengthening the upper body while opening up your shoulders and upper back so you can have the strength and flexibility needed to support your back bend. Exercise 5, isometric pulses. So here we press our hands up and over our head like we were going to go into a back bend. You're not going to move anywhere, you're just going to push the ground away from you in small pulses. This is also another huge stretch for the wrists and shoulders, so you may need to adjust your position depending on your flexibility. Farther away will likely be more difficult, and closer to you will be a little bit gentler. You can see here, I'm barely moving, just activating my muscles to help them strengthen for the challenge of pushing up into the back bend. And if your shoulders or wrists are too tight to do this, don't worry. You can get started by having a big pillow, I really like this bolster, behind you, and pushing into that. It'll be a much gentler angle on your shoulders and wrists. Come back to these 5 key exercises again and again, and you'll be well on your way to building the strength and flexibility needed to achieve your back bend goal. If this short video inspired you to go deeper with your Pilates practice, you can check out the link in the description below for some of my online mat classes. And if you want to support more free workouts like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.